everyone, welcome back to my channel Aro's Melodrama. Whenever I help my amma and get good marks in my school, my nana will give me a gift. So my nana gave this air fryer that I helped my amma. That's why I am opening this unboxing and showing you a video. Okay, I am opening this. I open the box. If you don't know how to use, it is in instruction book. Read this book, okay? And I am opening this air fryer. Oh no, it is so heavy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. I take out. You know, I have so much strength. If you want to cook anything, anything you have to cook. I am telling you how many you have to cook. Okay, water, French fries, pizza, chicken fry, and cupcake. Many more you can cook. Okay, I am opening this. Okay. Like this we have to open and close like this. Where if you want anything cooking video, I will take help with my mother and show a video with a delicious dish. Okay, bye guys. Ishq, always keep smiling.